Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at this beautiful majestic Honda Accord. This is a 2011 registered, first owner, authentic 51,000 kilometers done, golden color, beautiful looking car. We're currently doing an exterior walk around of the vehicle, and you can see that the car is absolutely scratchless, shining like gold, and in all original paint. So this is the exterior look of the car. All 4 tires on the car are brand new, hardly 5,000 kilometers used. No dents, no scratches, no damages to the vehicle other than the few scratches on the bumpers, which is ought to happen in a 10-year-old car on streets of Mumbai. It's got a huge boot, a real long wheelbase. I'll take a closer look at the headlamps and the tires now. So you see the headlamps are all clear, as good as brand new. The grille is all intact and original. This is the left headlamp, which is all clear. A closer look at the tires. I will now take you inside the vehicle. The interior cleaning has not been done, but the car is still good enough to show. This is the door trim. It's complete leather with wooden finish, beige and black combination, which looks beautiful. These are the 4 power window buttons. This is the lock unlock button. This is the lock button for power windows. This is the joystick to adjust the side mirrors. This is the button to close the mirrors. This is the left and right adjustment. This is the rear seat, all intact, original factory fitted leather seat. No damages, no wear and tear, no stains. This is how the seat is. All the stitching and everything is intact. The leg room here is great. Like, I have kept my leg in, there's a lot of gap, almost a feet long gap. This is the front dashboard look from the rear seat. This is a pure petrol 2.4 liter I-Vtec manual transmission vehicle. Comes with 6 airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, automatic climate control, dual zone automatic climate control, 6 CD changer integrated, aux, USB, rear parking sensors. There's these reading lamps which are there, all working, all intact. We will now go for a spin. See how the car is. So there's this steering which is worn out. The leather on the steering has worn out. We can put a steering cover for it. Alright, the car engine is already on. This is the odometer, 51,230 kilometers done. This is the infotainment display. Now you won't be able to see it on the camera. Okay, so this is better now. So this is this clock. There's the automatic climate control, temperature settings which are mentioned here. When you turn on the music, there's a display that comes here. You can change the music according to that. The display sticker is not yet removed. The car is really kept very well. The car engine is already on, as I said. It's absolutely silent. There's no noise from the car. Pretty luxurious and spacious. Being a 2.4, that's 2400cc engine, it is really powerful. We will test the power, and it's absolutely zippy, and the firing changes when you rev it on higher RPMs. Sounds quite sporty. The suspensions are absolutely fabulous. No noise at all, no jerks felt. It's absolutely cushion-like feel driving the car. I'm driving it really fast. On this short distance, it's on 60, crossing 60 now. So it's really powerful, spacious, comfortable, majestic luxury sedan. It adds on to the status of a person. Basically, when you step out of a Honda Accord, the 2.4 I-Vtec, the person knows that you're no joke. You're driving a big luxury sedan. And the power of the car is absolutely unmatched. Driving on rumblers, and there's no noise from the suspension. The noise that you hear is from the tires, and which is ought to happen in any car if you drive it on rumblers. It's absolutely magnificent. I'm just in awe of driving this car. I always thought, Accord would not be so much fun, but it's exceptionally brilliant. It's pretty light to drive in spite of being such a big vehicle. You don't feel you're driving such a bulky car. The steering is really light and responsive. For city traffic, it's pretty comfortable. The clutch is absolutely soft, buttery soft. If you want to take a look at the car, you want to take a test drive, call me on 9768 001 006. You were watching this video on my YouTube channel, Convoy Cars.